said that she thought that law enforcement needed to know that we have our back. As you know, the officers that killed 12-year-old Tamir Rice were not indicted. So I'm wondering if you think that people in those communities, those of Tamir Rice, those of Sandra Bland, do you feel that those people feel like we have their back?
I think that Chicago's got a lot of work to do to rebuild trust. The level of violence is abhorrent. Excuse me?
That happened in Cleveland.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Tamir Rice.
My bad. In every community where you have these cases, the elected officials and the police chief need to engage with the community to rebuild trust. But the process worked. If there's a grand jury that looks at all the facts and doesn't indict, maybe there's reasons for that. I don't believe that every grand jury is racist. I don't think that that's the case. These tragedies that take place, there's way too many of them, and it doesn't change my view because we have those kind of well-publicized cases of violence that we should be supportive of law enforcement.
And you've said that the Attorney General has been politicizing these kinds of cases?
Well, there seems to be. There's been lots of cases where he goes out and calls for investigation, and it turns out that there's nothing there. No civil rights violations or any of the civil violations that he had jurisdiction over. So I think there should be more caution about using the federal government's power and more focus on trying to rebuild trust from the bottom up.